Visual Studio Code comes with extra extensions that you can install them for some specific behavior of your Visual Studio Code. So to visit the libraries or for example, the market for those extensions, you just need to click on extensions on Visual Studio Code, as you see here from this icon. I will click on it and then you will see a lot of suggested extensions. So let's search first for our first extension, which it will be React Native Tools, and this extension is very helpful for our React Native application, as we will see later. So for example, it will help us to create some snippets. So as you see, it's very helpful and it's rapiding up our coding, and it has a lot of features like autocomplete of the things. So we will see the benefit of this extension later, but now let's install it. So I click on installation and it will be installed in my extensions. Another extension which we need to install as well to speed up our performance is called React Native React/Redux snippets for ES6, ES7. So this we are going to use in this course. So what is this extension? This one is making for us some shortcuts which we can write, and it will generate for us the full code. For example, as you see here, I have some imports. For example, I run EMR and then it will code for me import React from React. So it's like a shortcuts which we can write and it will import for us based on the things. For example, I have IMRPC, it will import for me a pure component from React. So it's some shortcuts which we need to use, as we will see later in the course, and it will speed up productivity. The next extension which we need to install is called Prettier. Prettier is a very nice extension which is used for code formatting. So when you save a file, it will automatically format your code based on some configuration which will come with React Native installation, as we will see later. So first, you just need to install this extension and make sure that you have the option which is called Save or Format on Save. So how you can find this option? You just need to go to the settings of VS Code. So you just go to code and then you will select preferences and then settings. So when you click on settings, you can find something called format on save. So that's the command. So you just need to be sure that format on save, this option is activated. Otherwise, the format on save will not work for you. So that's it for now. We will see how we will use Prettier. As I told you, it will be installed automatically, the configuration with the React Native project. The last thing, or the last extension which we need, is something optional. If you want, you can install it or not. It's called Material and then icon theme. So this is giving you, when you have a file structure, it will put the icons of the files based on the type of the file. So it's better also to install it to make very comfortable for the file list which you have. Here, after installation, it will give you select file icon theme. You just need to use this one. So I will use Material Icon Theme or SETI. Let's use this one, and then you will see your file list will be with a specific icons of the files in the editor. So those icons, you see them, for example, like this. So every file finished with CSS, it will have icon like this. Every file finished, for example, with npm will have like this, JavaScript, and etc. So a lot of icons are available, which will make for you easy to take a look to your file structure and pick up the file which you want. So those extensions which we need for now, we are going to build our first project or React Native project, and we will see all the effectiveness of all of those extensions later.